Hey there, hikers and wannabe hikers. This is Jonathan from Hiking in SC. I'm so glad you stopped in for another video. Now, what is this? It's how frustrated you're going to be if you don't remember today's key tip for using GPS when hiking. Right from your very first hike, you're going to find out that your old trusty friend GPS has died on the trail. What do I mean? Oh, you're going to cruise through the mountain roads, listening to the wonderful music of the GPS lady. You're even going to hold its hand all the way down the trail. But then this wonderful romance is going to end crushingly as you get back in your car. You try to type in your home address, and what happens? Nothing. Your forehead begins to give birth to beads of sweat. At the very same time, a panic attack seizes your heart and puts it in a rear naked choke. Your GPS, it won't reconnect. Well, I'm going to give you one of the most valuable tips you'll ever receive. It's called offline maps. Some people already know about it, but if you don't, I'm going to share this tip with you today.
Now for this tip, begin using your phone GPS as normal. Enter where you'd like to go. When you see the swipe up menu appear, swipe up. This will bring up a menu that has 3 dots on the upper right. Hit those 3 dots and you'll see a menu that says download offline map. This will bring up a box that you will size to include the place you want to go and the place that you're leaving from, as for example, your house. Once you have the box sized just right, hit the download button to the lower right. That will begin downloading the map that you need. Once you make it back to the car, you're just going to hit the little 3 lines at the top left. Scroll down until you see offline maps, and then enter where you want to go as normal. It will immediately bring up the directions to your home.
So, if you're addicted to anything hiking, like I am, take a look at these 2 videos I'm going to put right here. They'll give you more tips and tricks that you will need for exploring this wonderful state of ours, South Carolina. Now, get out there and hike.